Okay, dear students, we are in 6.5 exercise application of derivatives, and in the last class we have left this question number 21. Okay, let us do question number 21, and I think question number 26 we will do afterwards. We have done question number 22, 24, 25 in the last class. 23 we have not done. Now we will do 23 and 26. Okay, see what they have given in question number 23. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Okay. You see here also same. One cone is inscribed inside the sphere. That we understand. You see, this is sphere. This is cone. Largest means, see, cone, largest only it will fit exactly. Smallest means we cannot calculate them. Okay. This is the largest cone, exactly fit inside the sphere. Okay. Now what they are asking, prove that largest means, see, cone volume should be made largest means cone volume double derivation we should do. Okay. See, volume of this cone is equivalent to, see, volume of this cone means, see, shall I take like this cone VC? This is equivalent to 8 by 27 times the volume of the sphere. Yes. 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. You see, volume of the sphere, volume of the cone, both are different. See, volume of the sphere is, say, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone. That is equal to 8 by 27 times volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. See, here r means capital R you have to take. Why? Because they are clearly mentioned. Why? See, naturally, if two figures are there, two objects are there, both we should not take same symbols. For this capital R is the radius. For this also bottom radius will be there. Bottom is circular only for cone. For this we will take small r. Okay, you see how I am taking. You see, this is capital R. This is capital R. Okay. Up to here, this is small r. And this you take y. That means height of the cone is equal to h r plus y. R is radius of the sphere plus small y. Y how it comes? R square minus small r square under root. Then y also will come. Okay, you see, you understand by this figure. Okay, this is the logic. Finally, you have to get this. That they are asking. You see, this when I require, then I remove. Until then, we will go on proceed. Okay, logic you have understand, na? Okay, prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Okay. See how I am writing. You see here, what see, normally always these figures we are taking radius as the common and differentiating. Here you see, you goes on take this. But r square and h both should be in capital R shape. Shall it come? Yes, definitely will come. Why? Because see, r square you take and h also you see r plus y means r and r shape only it is going to come. H. Then you can proceed further. Okay, let us do it. See how I am doing. Okay. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed. Okay. Volume. Before volume, first find the height. Height h is equal to r plus y. R plus y height. Height of the cone this is. Okay. We are goes on do cone only. Automatically finally we will get this value, sphere value. Okay, r plus y. Then see, y how you are writing? Y is equal to capital R square plus small r square under root. Is it okay? r square, sorry, not plus, minus capital R square minus small r square under root will give y. Then h is equal to how much it gives? H is equal to capital R plus capital R square minus small r square under root. See, this will be the h. Okay. Now you come back. Now you proceed for volume. Volume formula you write. Volume V is equal to. See, now we are doing volume means volume of the cone only. Volume of the sphere we are not doing. Finally, we will get volume of the sphere. Volume of the cone V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square into h. But divided by 3. Okay. Now we proceed further. V is equal to pi by 3. I am taking common. Okay. R square also okay. But h you write this one. R plus r square minus r square under root. Okay. See, again I am taking pi by 3 as common. Pi by 3 I have taken common, but r square I am sending inside. You see, r square r plus r square minus r square under root. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see, we are doing derivation. V dash, first derivation. Pi by 3 common you have to take like this only, but you see inside what will happen. See, this is going to become 2r, 2rr plus, now you see here u into v. D by dr r square, that means 2r plus, because u into v means plus only will come. You see here all plus, that is why you need not put any bracket, directly you can write. Okay, v du by dx plus u dv by dx, that means root x. Root x means, you see, d by dx of root x means 1 by 2 root x over, no, again d by dx of r square minus s square, that means r square is constant, like minus r square means minus 2r. Minus 2r means, see, I am making here minus into 2r, but this 2 are going to get cancelled. Okay. Okay. Let's proceed further. You see, until these two only I am cross multiplying and writing. Why? Because see, r square minus r square are going to get this root is going to get cancelled. That is why I am making it. Okay, you see what I am doing. Still v dash is equal to pi by 3. This time I am keeping this parenthesis, not a big bracket. 2r okay, but here we are not touching this. But we are touching this. 2r, okay, no, you have to take this big bracket. Why? Because parenthesis will come now. 2r into, see, this r square minus r square, root into root is going to get cancelled. R square minus r square. Afterwards we will enlarge this. Okay, expand. Minus 2 already got cancelled. Okay, this 2r is this one. Here 2 got cancelled. Minus r cube. Okay, divided by, see, this root will be for these two. These two means I am writing like this up to here. R square minus r square under root. Okay, now close this. Okay. Now you see, if you send 2r inside, 2r r square minus 2r cube minus r cube. That is very important. Minus, see, now I am removing this we don't require now. Okay. That is equal to pi by 3. Okay. Now you put only parenthesis 2r. Okay. 2r r square. 2r r square. Okay. This is also okay. Now you see, minus is there. Minus 2r cube minus r cube. Minus 3r cube. Minus 3r cube. Okay. See, still from up to here only, last two terms again this denominator is there. last two terms for these two. Okay, square root of r square minus r square under root. Okay. Okay, now I think we have done v dash. We cannot do anything much. Now what we do, v dash is equal to 0 we will make it. Okay, implies. Let us see how I am making, you see. V dash is equal to 0 implies. That means we are equivalent to implies. Then we will find r value. You see, pi by 3 goes that side, means it is going to become 0. 3 into 0, 0 by pi, 0 only. And see, 2r is equal to, you see what I am writing? 2r is equal to, this side if it goes, this entire, this figure, minus 2r square plus 3r cube is going to become. Plus 3r cube first I will write, you see, plus 3r cube minus 2r square, but divided by this will be there, r square minus r square under root. Okay. See what I am doing now? I want to remove this square root. Then I will square both sides. Understand? Okay. If I square both sides, you see 4 r square r square. Okay. This you see 3r. See a minus b whole square, like here square is there, a minus b whole square. Okay, you see that is equal to a minus b whole square means a square 9 r to the power of 6 a square minus 2ab 3 into 2 into 2 12 minus 12 ab r cube r square. Okay. We do one thing here. It's going to become a little bit extra. You see what I am doing? R I am taking common. R I am cancelling. Why should we take R? See, R. You take R from here, you take R from here, cancel out. If you cancel out, automatically what will become 2R only? Why? Because it will be reduced. Okay, here 3R square will come minus 2 r square only will come. Now it is little bit lesser, it is becoming. Okay. That means r I have taken common and cancelled out. R square minus r square under root. Okay. Now I perform this squaring. Okay. Now you see both sides I have squared. That means you see 4r square is equal to. See here r square minus r square will become, this root is going to adjust. Why? Because squaring we are. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab 12 r square plus b square 4 r to the power of 4. You see okay, let it be divided by, you see this is r square minus small r square. Now see root will not be there. Okay. Now you send this side. Send this side. Denominator to numerator. Multiplication. 4r to the power of 4. 4r to the power of 4. Okay. First term. Second term minus 4r square small r square. Is it okay? That is equal to 9r to the power of 4 minus 12 r square plus 4 r to the power of 4. You see here 4 r to the power of 4, 4 r to the power of, directly we can cancel out. Plus, both side plus. Okay. Another one. You see 12 r square, 4 r square is there. This minus if comes this side, plus it is going to become 12 minus 4, 8. Right now. 8 r square is equal to 9 r to the power of 4. Again you see r square I am going to get cancelled and 2 it is going to become. Okay. Final result you see r square is equal to 8 by 9 r square. Is it okay? See 9 r square is there. Now r square, r we have to find after making 0. R I am finding, r you can find, you see r how I am finding. Comma, r is equal to see root 8 by 3 capital R. This also you can take. Why? Because root we have to make r. Square root of 8 but 9. 9 means 3, r square means r only will come. The r you have got. Okay. Now you see what you have to get again. Finally you have to find volume. This volume if you find automatically that should be equivalent to 8 by 27 terms of that volume. See this volume if you find automatically that terms of volume it has to come. That means capital R terms you have to come. Capital R is there, it will come. But before that you have to find H. H how you are going to find? This is the formula H. This formula again I am writing here and we will remove and we will do remaining problem there. Okay. See how I am doing. This R is equal to, you see, not R, H is equal to R plus square root of R square minus R square. Okay. See R square is there, R square is there. R square you substitute, then H will come in terms of capital R and small r. Then you substitute in this formula we know already. V formula, volume formula. This volume if you find automatically that volume has to come 8 by 27 times. Okay. Pass and note down. I am going to remove up to here this blue color. Okay, here. Up to here I am going to remove top. Pass and note down. Okay. See, we have got small r square or r, but we want h, then we can find volume. See h, again I am writing, h is equal to capital R plus square root of r square minus r square. That is equal to r plus square root of r square minus, you see small r square directly shall I write 8 r square by 9. That is equal to r plus, you see 9 r square minus 8 r square, 1 r square by 9. That is equal to r plus, you see r square is r after root, after removing root. 9 is 3, that means r by 3. That is equal to 3r plus r, 4r by 3. That means you have got h also. See, you have got r and you have got h. H is equal to 4r by 3. Okay, r you have got, h you have got, r square. Pi r square h is there, r square you have got. Now you proceed for doing this volume. See volume. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, this is the formula. Again I am substituting, you see. 1 by 3 pi r square means directly I am writing 8 by 9 capital R square into h. H is this one. 4 capital R divided by 3. That is equal to. You see logically you separate here. Why? Because you want to show that you see what we want to show, VC is equal to 8 by 27 times Vs sphere. This we want to show. 8 by 27 I want to separate. See 9 into 3 27 and 8 is there. Okay, 8 by 27 I have separated. 8 by 27. What else is there? 4 pi r cube by 3. That means see 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Is it okay? You see first. See 9 and 3 27 8. This pi is there. Pi that side gone. Pi capital R square r cube 4. 4 pi r cube by 3. 4 pi r cube by 3. You see here we can say VC is equal to 8 by 27 times Vs. Why? Because the 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere. VC is the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to 8 by 27 times 4 by 3 pi r2. Why? Because we have written volume of the cone, but volume of the sphere has come, but 8 by 27 times has come. This is what he asked us to prove. Okay, we have proven. Okay, now you see, have we completed this question? Partially we have completed. Why? Because see, maximum volume, like he asked, maximum volume means V dash only we have done, equal to 0. Here V dash, V double dash we have not done. V double dash, if you do again, if you do derivation of this one, then this should come less than 0. This you take as homework and do it. Okay, V double dash. Okay, based on marks you do this question. If less marks means I don't think V double dash only. See, when you get already only one value of R, then that will be the value, that's all. That is maximum or minimum, you have to see, but only one value has come. Okay, let us go for 26th question. Okay, let us go. Okay, see 26th question, you understand it carefully. Like this question we have already done, but what is the difference I will explain. Show that the semi-vertical angle of the right circular cone of given surface area and the maximum volume is sine inverse 1 by 3. Okay, see, semi-circular angle means what? Already we have done this. You see, earlier what we have done? This is the cone. This is the theta, semicircular angle. Okay, see, this is slant height, this is h, this is r, this we know. Earlier, based on slant height we have done, theta has come tan inverse root 2. Maximum volume, must be volume only we will take and we will maximize, means first derivation, second derivation we will do. If possible, second derivation we will do. Okay, like that. Based on L we have taken in the last class. That came tan inverse root 2, I think. Tan inverse root 2. Okay. Now it has to come sine inverse 1 by 3. Theta is equal to sine inverse 1 by 3 has to come. Semi-vertical angle. But here difference is there. Here slant height we are not taking. Given surface area like is telling. That means see, normally what we require, see, always all these mensuration questions we are taking small r is the variable. That means see, d v by dr only we are taking bottom. With respect to r we are doing like with respect to x. Okay, see, for volume this thing is 1 by 3 pi r square h. See, r already is there, but this h in terms of slant height we have found earlier for tan and all. Now here surface area we have to write. That means see, surface area you have to take from surface area you have to bring this h. R is already there. Okay, that you have to understand it carefully. Given surface area means first you find surface area in terms of h or r, whatever it may be. Okay, but finally the variable here h, that should come by surface area. Okay, surface area finally you have to convert from, see, h will come from surface area, like that you should keep in our mind. Then you apply in this, then you are going to get this value. See, finally what you are going to get to see, sine theta means, sine theta only, na? Sine theta is equal to 1 by 3. Sine theta means here you see, opposite side by hypotenuse, r by L. R you are going to get anyway, V dash if you make 0. Afterwards, rather than finding h, L you have to find. See, if L is having a connection with h means you have to find h, then you have to find L also. Finally, R divided by L is going to give this time theta. Okay, like that you have to proceed. Let us proceed. Okay, let it be this figure. Whenever we don't have space, then we will remove it. Okay, you see what I am writing? This is question, but from here onwards I will write answer. Okay, you see, surface area formula I am writing. Surface area is equal to, you see, bottom surface area, curved surface area. Bottom surface area how much? Pi r square. Plus curved surface area pi rl. See, for cylinder this will be pi r square no, 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h. But here because of slant height L will come rather than h. 2 pi r h. But 2 divided by 2, that is why 2 is going to get cancelled. Pi r h. Why? Because this is in conical shape, not straight cylinder shape. Okay. Because area divided by 2 we have done. If it is volume divided by 3 we will do. Volume means 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Okay. Normal pi r square h means for cylinder. 1 by 3 pi r square h means for core. Like this you have to analyze. See here what I am converting this. That is equal to pi I am taking common r square plus r l. Okay. C. Afterwards I am making s by pi. Not now. Let me find L also. You see L means what? H square plus r square under root. Okay. See what I am writing. That is equal to pi into r square plus r into h square plus r square under root. Is it okay? First you see. Pi is there. Pi r square plus pi r L. L is h square plus r square but under root. Okay. Now see what I am writing. See from S only how to bring H. H how I am bringing, you see, you observe carefully. R square plus R into square root of H square plus R square is equal to S by pi. Now I have sent pi this side. Why? Because pi is a constant. S by pi I have made. See S by pi I am making equal to K. S by pi let is equal to K. Any one constant I have taken. Now you see r square plus r into square root of h square plus r square is equal to k. Is it okay? Okay. You see r square I am sending that side. R into square root of h square plus r square is equal to k minus r square. Comma. Okay. You see this r also I am sending this side. H square plus r square under root is equal to k minus r square by r. Is it okay until now? Okay. See, finally I want h. That is why I am squaring both sides. If I square this side, h square plus r square will become. If I square this side, you see what will happen here. A square minus 2ab. Why? Because a minus b. Minus 2ab means 2k r square plus b square r to the power of 4 divided by this also square will become. Okay. Now h square. You send this side. K square minus 2k r square plus r to the power of 4 divided by r square minus r square. Is it okay? See, now you cross multiply and make one figure here. Okay, write down. Because finally h I want. H. H square is equal to, you see, k square minus 2k r square plus r to the power of 4 minus r to the power of 4 divided by r square. Okay. See, plus r to the power of 4 minus r to the power of 4 going to get cancelled. Okay. Now h I want finally. H is equal to square root of. That means this is going to become r only. Square root of k square minus 2k r square under root divided by, you see, r square means root r only. Okay. This is r. This you require. Okay, this you require. Whatever we have done all until now, only one step only. Now you proceed for volume. Volume I am writing, you see, volume formula V is equal to pi by 3 shall write directly 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal to pi by 3 I am taking common, r square also okay, h I am taking this one. You see what I am doing, k square minus 2k r square under root divided by r. Okay, r square into h. Pi by 3 I have taken outside. Okay, see r square into h. You see r and r going to get cancelled. That means r into something is there. Now I will do derivation. V dash. Pi by 3 I am taking common. You understand? See, one only r is there. R into square root is there. Okay, see now u into v form. Plus you can do, but here root is there. That you keep in your mind. Okay. Pi by 3 I have taken. See, now denominator is not there. Only u into v, that's all. Okay. Dash means d by dx, derivation we are doing. You see, v d by dr into r, one only, I need not write again, plus u derivation of root x, 1 by 2 root x. Over, no, again d by dx of k square into this, k square is constant, we have already made constant, but see here 2 square means 2r will come, 2r into 2k, 4kr, but minus is there, minus 4kr, that means you see minus 4kr, okay, 2k into 2r, but minus 4kr. You see here 2 I am cancelling it with 2. Okay, you see here 2kr square, 2kr square is there, here also 2kr square is there. If you cancel out, why? Because square cancel out. If you do cross multiplication, pi by 3 will be like this one. Okay. See what I am doing now, v dash is equal to pi by 3, you keep like this only, but now I think parenthesis I will keep. You see, square root into square root, root are going to get cancelled. K square minus 2k r square, okay, minus this cross multiplication, 2k r square, 2k r square divided by root of k square minus 2k r square. Okay. You see here minus 2k r square minus 2k r square minus 4k r square, pi by 3 k square minus 4k r square by k square minus 2k r square under root. Okay. See here, now over, we cannot do much. Now v dash is equal to 0 we will make. Okay, you see what I am doing. V dash is equal to 0 implies 3 is going to become 0, pi is going to become 0, but k square is equal to 4k r square. K square is equal to 4k r square. K square is equal to 4k r square. This is also going to become 0. See, from this what you receive, r square is, see, k you are going to get cancelled out. You see here, 1k is going to get cancelled. Okay. Finally, you get r square is equal to k by 4. You box it. Finally, see, show that the semi-vertical angle, you want r, why? Because see, r by l you want, then theta is equal to sine 1 by 3 you can get it. You see, I am going to remove what are all you have to prove. I am writing here. You see, theta is equal to sine inverse 1 by 3 you have to prove. This is one thing. Another thing, R you have got, L you want. L means h square plus r square. L means square root of. Okay. H means how? Wait a minute. How you are going to get H? See, H is there here. Okay. This anyway we are not going to remove H. Okay. This H we are not going to remove. See, you have got R square means R. You have to prove this one. But for proving this, you require, you see again, this drawing I am making. This is theta, this is R, this is H, this is L. You see, theta, here sin theta has to prove. R by L you require. R you have got. L how you are going to getting? L is equal to H square plus R square. That is H if you get, automatically L you are going to get. H for getting H formula is there here. Okay. H formula is very important. H formula you have derived. Okay. Okay. See what I am doing. Until this black color, please note down. I am going to remove this. Okay. These are all I am going to remove. Pause and note down. Okay. Come back again. R square is equal to k by 4. Comma, R is equal to root k divided by t, 2. Okay, this is there. And H you see, H is equal to k square minus 2k R square. R square means k by 4. K by 4. Okay, this is under root, but divided by R is there. R means again root k by 2. That is equal to, you see here, 2 times you go, k square by 2. K square minus k square by 2 means k square by 2. K square by 2 under root numerator, this is root k by 2. Okay. But see here, k square by 2, a complete root is there. You will get confused. I am writing like this, you see. K square by 2 complete root into, see, normal 2 by root k. Like this I have to write. Then only you can understand it easily. Okay. Proceed further. H we are finding. H is equal to again. See, k square means k will come divided by this is root 2 into 2 by root k. You see here, root 2 cancel and you make it as root 2. Okay, this root k cancel and you make it as root k. Finally, root of 2k will come. H is equal to root of 2k. Okay. Now you go for L. L is equal to h square plus r square, but this under root. Okay. That is equal to h square. H square means you see 2k will come. If you make a square 2k, why? Because root is there, root get cancelled. Plus r square. R square means k by 4. But this will be under root again. Okay, you see 8k plus k, 9k by 4. But again root. Write down. L is equal to, see, 9 means 3 root k, 4 means 2. If you remove root, 9 is going to become 3, but root k by 4 is going to become 2. Okay, this is the L. Now see, theta is equal to R by L. Sorry, not theta, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to R by L. Okay, sin theta is equal to R by L. That figure shall I write again? This is theta, this is R, this is L. Sin theta is equal to R by L. Okay. R means how much? root k by root 2. Root k by 2, not root 2, root k by 2. Divided by means into I will write L. L is how much? See, L denominator we are writing. I am making it reverse. 2 by 3 root k. Is it okay? Okay? See, root k, 2 going to get cancelled. 1 by 3. Theta is equal to sine inverse 1 by 3. This is what they asked us to prove. Theta is equal to sine inverse 1 by 3. We have proved. Okay? See, fully we have not completed. V dash is equal to 0 we have made here. Maximum like we have not shown. This again you do second derivation with respect to r. Why? Because here r is there, here r is there. U by v form is there. That should come less than 0. Then only volume will be maximum like. Okay? That you take as homework. Okay? See, we will stop this class here. 3 objective type questions are there, but even though I have to explain and tell, what I do in the next class, I am going to finish this exercise. Those 3 questions also we will do in the next class. Okay? Thank you very much.